Hi friends, I'm Cheri at cookswellwithothers.com, and that is my food blog where I share all of the recipes for the meals that I make for my family each week, and then I share those with you to give you some new fresh dinner ideas. So I always, every week is different, for all of us. I do weekly meal plans, sometimes based on if I'm having an extra busy week. Sometimes I do meal plans based on like what I'm craving, if I'm craving some comfort food or something like that. And I'm definitely a seasonal cook. So I share some new fresh dinner ideas each week. And if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on one of my weekly meal plans. This week I do have an extra busy week. So I am doing all food that I can kind of prep ahead of time, like the night before. And then that way, when I get home from work, it just takes a few minutes to put together. So here we go with this week's new dinner ideas. So the first prep ahead meal that I have planned is a grilled Korean flank steak. You're gonna marinate that the night before. I always use a gallon size Ziploc bag just to kind of make for easy cleanup. And then that one just takes a few minutes on the grill and it is amazing. So the second prep ahead meal, it's a crock pot chicken enchilada soup. This one makes a lot, so it might actually get you 2 nights worth of dinners. But I always do it the night before. I put the crock pot in my refrigerator and then I just start it in the morning before I go to work, and then dinner's ready by the time I get home. The next easy meal, it's a Caribbean jerk baked chicken. I'm doing chicken legs on this one, but you could use some other cuts of chicken as well. And that one, again, you're just gonna marinate the night before in a gallon size plastic bag, throw it in the pan, line it with foil for some easy cleanup, and then it just bakes in the oven. And then on the weekend, I like to take a little bit of extra time to prepare something special. But since I have an extra busy week, I'm gonna go ahead and do a meal prep so that I don't have to worry about packing my lunch all week. We're gonna do turkey taco meal prep salads. You could even turn that into a meal and then just make extra and then prep the salads, and that would actually be even easier. So I hope that you guys have a great week, and I hope that you've enjoyed this week's recipes.